In today's video, we are looking at the PODOFO 10.26-inch touch screen portable car stereo multimedia player. With its sleek and modern design, it ensures that you can enjoy your favorite music, navigation, and entertainment options while on the go. PODOFO's 10.26 touch screen display is incredibly responsive and easy to use, allowing you to access all your favorite apps and sources with just a touch. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking a call, the high-resolution display delivers crystal-clear visuals and vivid colors. But that's not all. PODOFO is also a powerful multimedia player, supporting a wide range of audio and video formats. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily stream your favorite tunes from your smartphone or tablet. Plus, with the rearview mirror video input and audio output, you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows on the go without any interruptions. Safety is our top priority, and PODOFO is equipped with advanced driver assistance features. With Android Auto or Apple Carplay,
I'm on my way. Ready to send
text hands-free so you can keep your eyes on the road, helping you stay on course and avoid any potential accidents. Choose the PODOFO wireless touchscreen portable car stereo multimedia player today. Link is below.